I hope most of them have joined the meet. So let's wait for 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. If there are any of your friends left, please tell them to join. And guys, if possible, please turn on the camera. It, let's keep it interactive. Is there anyone who already does digital marketing or has done any course? You can raise your hand. Guys, anyone? Reply, guys, come on. Okay, there's someone who has raised hand. Who is this? Yash.
Yes, bro.
Okay. Anyone else from FIS? I guess no one's there. So let's begin with the session. Most of them have joined the session. Hi guys, I am Dhawal Gundecha. I am from second year ENTC department. Mm, Currently, I am in Quintix Solution, a company where I run a digital marketing agency. Along with me, there's Sayyam Choria, who is Sayyam. Can you please turn on your camera?
Yeah, sure. Hello, guys. Good evening, and I hope you all are interested for the session. I'm a second year computer graduate student, undergrad student, and I have my startup named Quinthic Solutions, and the will handle it. And like the main motto of today's session is taking businesses towards digital era. So you learn that small tips and tricks how you can uh, see digital world through a different view.
Yeah, me and Sayyam are Google certified digital marketer. I am an Accenture and Internshala certified as well. In this session, we will tell you basics of digital marketing, then advantage during placement, then how can you can help your business grow with the help of digital marketing, and many more things. It would be like, guys, keep it in two-way. We are also SEC students, so it's not that we are someone outsiders. We are friends all. We all are friends. So keep it interactive. Okay, let's start the. Anyone knows anything about digital marketing? And anyone? No one? Okay. Is my screen visible?
No,
No,
no.
not visible.
उस रिवर्स नहीं होता नहीं है
Sayyam,
Yes, I'll try. Wait.
just share the screen. Sayyam, share कर रहा है ना screen तू?
I guess it's not working. Try from your side once.
Is it now? Is it now seen? दिख रहा है क्या तुम लोगों को?
हाँ
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, it's visible now.
Yeah. Cool. Let's begin with our presentation. So, guys, this is the basics of digital marketing session for you, brought to you by Dhawal Gundecha, Sayyam Choria, and PICT EDC Cell. So, let's begin. Uh, this is our definition for digital marketing. It is by experts. So you can read digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop, computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Very long definition. It's hard to understand. So basically, digital marketing is an online type of marketing which uses digital technology for advertising and marketing purpose. It's nothing more when internet and other devices, technological devices. Anyone wants to talk?
Yes, the screen is not visible.
यस भैया
किस किस को दिखाई नहीं दे रही है?
Double share as window, entire window.
Microsoft page is visible.
Okay, just wait. Is it now visible?
No.
Yes.
यस यस
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
नो
yes,
No.
visible.
यस
Slide
यस
show.
नाउ
Just wait for 2 minutes, it would be visible. Is it visible now to everyone?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, cool. So digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes internet and online based digital technologies such as desktop, computers, mobile phones and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. Basically, digital marketing is an online type of marketing which uses different technological devices for advertising and marketing. Let's explore the different domains in digital marketing. Different domains include SEO, which is search engine optimization, SEM, which is known as search engine management or marketing. Then there's SMM, social media marketing, email writing, blog writing, analytics. Then there are many more which includes content marketing, affiliate marketing, but they are not included in digital marketing, but it is somewhat related. We'd come to know it in few next. So SEO and SEM. What is SEO? Basically, SEO includes optimizing the website. We all know that digital marketing includes making a website, then promoting it through different means. So SEO includes optimizing the website. Then in SEO, we create backlinks from which the we can visit website from different devices or different platforms. Like there are links on Instagram, or sometimes it may be on blogs, then it's on WhatsApp. These are called backlinks. Or sometimes as well we see advertisements on website, like some website, some gaming website shows advertise for Amazon or Flipkart. Many times we use Ghana, Spotify, and there we see advertise. So it's a backlink which are created. Now these backlinks are uploaded on social media platforms to generate traffic. Basically, SEO is one of the most important tool for optimizing and in digital marketing as well. Without SEO, digital marketing is incomplete. One has to learn basics of SEO if he wants to pursue a career in digital marketing. Without SEO, it can't be done. Any website or any company which uses is it's compulsory, like it uses SEO. Otherwise, it won't. Otherwise, if SEO is not used, it can't achieve a suitable level. Then there's SEM. SEO, you all know full form of SEO and SEM.
Search engine optimization.
Yeah, and SEM.
I don't know.
Yeah, so it's search engine management, or it's called search engine marketing. It is similar to SEO, but there's a slight difference. That is, SEM is paid and it charges highly. Like SEM uses Google Ads and many other tools and keywords to rank their website. Like we all have seen, if we search for Flipkart or Amazon, there's one more blue colored link first which comes, and it's written the ad in a box up in the upright corner. We can see that. So it is done through SEM. We use tools like Google Ads and few other tools for to use SEM. Now the next domain is SMM, which is known as social media marketing. It's the easiest way of doing marketing and it's the cheapest. And there's no special skill required to do SMM. While in SEO, we need skills. We need to have technical skills. Then we need to master SEO, SEM, and few other things. We must have research in keywords. But here, there we need keywords in social media marketing as well, but not at high level. So social media applications and website. Many a time we use Instagram and we see ads in stories, and there are various options like sign up and we visit to the page directly or go to their website. So it is done through social media marketing. It uses applications and tools like Instagram, Facebook, Quora, Pinterest, Reddit, etc. And WhatsApp, Telegram as well nowadays. Like Telegram is growing day by day, so it has quite importance in SMM. It's one of the best marketing strategy. SMM, like big four companies are also applying these techniques in their daily basis for advertisements and marketing. For this, as I told, there are no special skills required for this type of marketing. Tools like Hootsuite are used for scheduling your post. Now we don't know how to schedule the post. Like I would post it today at 6 p.m., tomorrow at 10 p.m. So it doesn't have a schedule or anything or timetable. So for such things, now we use SMM like Hootsuite tools. They are very good tools and it would help you schedule your post, then as well make them better and all those things. As well, ads are run through Hootsuite. So you can check out Hootsuite. Till now, any doubt, guys? Hello?
No.
Okay.
Guys, you can ask any question if you don't understand anything.
Yeah. Keep it interactive. Okay. So now there's email marketing and blog writing. Once we are done with building website, then we reach at email marketing. It helps in reaching target audience. Like email marketing is done for B2B and B2C. We receive many times we receive mails from different Coursera, Udemy, Unacademy, Zomato, Swiggy. So they are email marketing. They give us offers on email and they create a bunch of mail. They get data for mails and they send it to all. Generally in this type of marketing, Generally in this type of marketing they take data from us in the form of forms, then while login, and they collect our mail IDs and then they send us mails. It's increasing day by day. Tools like MailChimp are used for it. Collecting data is one of the most important thing and using it wisely is another thing. It's a low cost of advertising and very much helpful. Now there's blog writing. It's like one of the must-have skill in the journey of digital marketing. One can make a startup a brand with the help of blog. Nowadays there are various apps like WordPress, Wix where you can write your blogs, and they help us in a quite number of audience as well. And if you go for a paid service in WordPress, Wix, then Blogspot, then you can achieve us good traffic as well. Generally, blog writing it's similar to content marketing. It speaks about brand quality. It enhances a customer relationship. So, any doubt, guys, in blog writing? Any questions?
No.
Okay. Yeah. So, hereafter, Sayyam will tell you. He will give you a basic information about. Yeah. So, let me share the screens. Sayyam.
Uh, Put it on slide share mode.
Okay.
So after email marketing, blog writing, website analytics, SEO, SMM, and every type of marketing, here comes analyzing the part. The data that you have of customers, of people that you have taken, you have to use that, analyze that, and then put some strategies to build your business. Now, with different analytical tools, we can get data of traffic generated. There are various like companies that provide you this data at a very effective cost. For this, most of them use Google Analytics because this is where Google Analytics gives you most benefits at almost free cost. And these reports, tell us how to analyze and interpret data because we can't analyze like thousands of people's data using our own brains. So they have their own softwares, they have their own analyzing data techniques. So we get information from their softwares. Uh, and these sort of information are like categorized into area, age, interest. Like you would have seen in maybe in surveys like from 19-year-old to 25-year-old use Instagram almost 70% of the day. 35 to 50 age people use Instagram 30% of the day. So this is what the analytics is used, and this is used to target that particular sector of people where their need is the most. Like Instagram's thing is they'll target the youth 19 to 25, so they'll get response, and then their analytics is successful. The knowledge of this field and skill of using the tool can make you one step ahead in any placement company, because this is where leads you one step ahead, because everyone would do content writing, blog writing, email marketing, like sending emails to companies. They'll have connections, networking, SEO tools. But what after what to do after implementing all these? So you have to build your own strategies, because not Zomato strategies, not Instagram strategies would work out for your business. People with expertise in analytics get paid more than 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. And this is the starting package. Believe me, no coding would help you in such bright stage. But yes, just analyzing data for business growth would land you here. And it requires just sense of presence for your business growth. How could you plan a better strategy and a particular strategy for your particular business? With this skill you can work as a freelancer as well. And uh, including me and Dhaval, we work as freelancers in digital marketing, and really it helps a lot in connections, in networking, and in implementing those particular strategies and making strategies for our business as well, so that we grow in uh, like our field. So there are foreign experts from this field who earn in millions with this simple skill. Even Sandeep Maheshwari, who talks motivational, but he has the most importance of digital marketing, because every person on this world is has gone digital. You may accept it or not, but without digital world, you can't go anywhere. So you have to have these skills. Now the skills that it includes is video editing. Next slide, Dhaval.
Yeah.
Hello, Dhaval.
Yeah, Sayam, it's done. Next slide is on.
Okay, cool. So the skills required for your business growth is video editing, because visuals attract people. Just your simple spam text messages or spam emails wouldn't attract your audience. Videos and posters are stuff which attracts people's eyes. They want to see that yes, something's there for them. Then there's graphics designing, that is posters. You may have seen our college club posters. These include in this, and yes, people get paid for it. Just making a simple poster or a simple video that attracts people, you can get paid for it. Then there comes SEO and SEM that Dhaval talked about. You should know content research. Before writing any content, you have to have some knowledge. You can't, if you want to speak in front of people, you have to have content in front of you that you have researched about. So this is the most important thing, because many companies plan their strategies, but they have no content research, and then their plans fail. You have to be techno savvy in this. You have to adapt to digital media. You can't be saying that I'll hire some people who'll manage digital things, and I'll do like physical uh, connections, physical approaches for customers. But that doesn't work, and you'll land nowhere. It would be just temporary. So if you have to be permanent, you have to stay digital. Then there comes data analyzing that I talked about. You have to have that data analyzed and a particular strategy for your business. Creative mindset involves, if plan A doesn't work, you have to go on plan B. If plan B doesn't work, you have to go on plan C. You don't have to stop crying on that plan A doesn't work, my company wouldn't work, my company wouldn't be accessible to people, my company wouldn't grow. So you have to keep hustling and bring new strategies and plans. Like sometimes you may pass on videos, sometimes you may pass some free content to people. So people are there to consume content. They want something from you, then they'll give you back something. So first you have to give them. Then there
They,
comes writing
and
skills.
they need something new. So in creative mindset, they need something new. Like we see every day on Instagram, there's something new. Like nowadays, there's meme marketing. Creative mindset also implies for meme marketing. There are many memes. Like we know nowadays, there's Shweta that meme, then Pauri. Then these memes are used for marketing purpose. Sayyam Muhammad.
Yes.
Sayyam. Yeah.
So, hello. Am I audible? Dhaval?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So, as Dhaval rightly said, we have to keep on updating ourselves. Like the Pavri meme. People wouldn't have thought that even companies like food companies, Zomato and Zomato like companies, they are using the same meme and attracting people. They give notifications according to the trending meme. So this is what people get attention, that yes, the company is updated and it will give me something. Next, please. Next
Yeah.
slide.
Also, Intenshala is applying the same technique nowadays. You can see there are notifications from their side related to Shweta or Pauri.
Okay, so coming to free platforms to learn digital media with a verified certificate that you can add in your resume or maybe present it to any company, HR or executive, and it has much more importance than any of your hackathon projects, because this is what isn't in everyone, right? Many people in our college apply for hackathons, win prizes, but this is what sets you apart from others. The first and the most important is Google Digital Unlock. This certificate is a must in digital marketing. If you get this, you have started your journey in digital marketing, and it feels great because you just have to have that thing in your mind that yes, I have some strategies for my business and I can grow, and I am digitally adapted, because nowadays youth are almost engrossed in digital media. So yes, they can use digital media effectively. Then there's Future Learn, Accenture, Skill Cafe, LinkedIn Learning. LinkedIn Learning certificate is also one of the important certificates, because LinkedIn has a brand, and these brand certificates really impact on your resume and your name itself. So there will be a tag certified by LinkedIn Learning, certified by Google Digital Unlock, certified by IBM Learning. So this really means, next, Dhaval.
Yeah.
Now
These are the
coming on to free platforms without certificates. This is just for your knowledge. Like you may consider Coursera and YouTube on the other side. Coursera will give you great courses, great content with certificate, but YouTube would just give you content and learning, but no certificate. So this is the same that you can apply. If you want knowledge, you can take these YouTube channels. Ankush Agrawal, Beer Biceps, you would have seen his seen his podcasts and his YouTube channel as well. Intellectual Indies, Aman Dhattawal, one of the most dynamic personality in India. He uses the same skills. He is very digitally adapted, so his like startup or maybe business is growing because he knows what current generation wants. Next is tutorials point. Himesh Madan, Vivek Bindra, and Simply Learn. Vivek Bindra was just like us, a simple guy, but he adapted these business techniques to grow into a business leader. And now he addresses to thousands of business men that invite him, and he gets paid for it. Just a few lectures, and he gets paid lakhs. So just think, this area is so much important in today's generation. Next.
Yeah, just a minute, Sayam. This see, these platforms are meant for learning. Like you won't get certificate, but I would guarantee you that you would learn many things from here. Certificates are definitely important, but skills are important in the same way. So I would suggest definitely go for one of these certificate courses among these: Google, FutureLearn, Accenture, Skills Cafe, LinkedIn, IBM, Infosys, and many. There are many, but these are some of them recognized. But if when it comes to learning and understanding things, these platforms are the best. Like Ankush Agarwal, his YouTube channel, you would see a complete playlist where you can get from SEO to content marketing, email marketing, and all. He has as well made a video on Instagram and Facebook ads. These ads, like with many a times we don't know how to run these ads. He has done a complete keyword research as well. Tutorials point, there's complete keyword research and how we can do a keyword research. So definitely guys, do watch these videos. It would be like a plus point. Sayam?
Next.
Yeah, there's the it's the next slide.
Okay, cool. So the careers in digital marketing, uh, the above, like we both mentioned all the domains above, and this is what every particular domain has its post in corporate world today. Digital marketing management expert, they get paid starting from 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Just you have to be adapted to digital media and digital marketing. Then comes social media marketing. You have to be engrossed into social media. You have to be active, uh, adapt to trends, current trends going on. You have to know what news is there currently, and many more such things. Next comes SEO and SEM management expert. Then there's conversion rate optimization expert, performance marketing, uh, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you would have heard many a times, like since 11th, 12th, or maybe after joining college as well. People message you or text you on Insta like a spam message that can you join this? It would be great. You would learn this, and you would earn in thousands just in a few days. So this is what affiliate marketing is. This requires networking. This requires just to add people into the chain, and then this continues. Next comes analytics manager. Next is email marketing manager. You have to send emails to particular companies. You can't send cold mails to a group of companies randomly. You have to research, does that company fit in your business? Does that company help you in any way? Will that company accept your offer? Like you can't just sit in your homes and you have started your own startup, and then you say, I'll tie up with Google, I'll tie up with Amazon. So you have to do a particular type of research, that which companies would support me, which companies would be approachable by me, and yes, would they reply to me. So this is how email marketing and networking works. And the last is freelancer. This is the last or sidemost step, that your knowledge doesn't go in vain. You have other posts in corporate world, but yes, simultaneously your freelancing will be continued. So yes, you have multiple ways of income, and you can continue them in whichever domain you have interest. Thank you so much. This was all about digital
Yeah.
marketing. If you have any questions, we may go forward with it.
Yeah, and as a freelancer, you can have a passive income. Though you may go for a job or something, as a passive, you can do work as a freelancer, and it doesn't require like full time 8 and 10 hours. It's just require 1 to 2 hours daily. These careers are like meant as a professional course. They aren't most of them think digital marketing is not a professional course or something like that. But in this changing era, digital marketing is a professional. In corona time, we may have, almost all of them have faced many issues. Financial problems were there, and there was lockdown, so we can't go outside. But in this era, digital marketing was one of the most trending phase in digital marketing. Even a shopkeeper, the shopkeeper who has a local shop at our home, and he had also gone for digital marketing techniques. He also made his website and applied few digital marketing techniques like graphic designing and all that. So it's something like a plus point and a bonus nowadays. One must have skill like digital marketing, and we all know skills don't go waste. So just learn it. It doesn't mean that you have to work as a digital marketing full time. And in data analytics as well, data analytics is something we have to learn in our engineering course. So along with Python and SQL, few of the companies ask for digital marketing and SEO. Only SEO basically. If you have digital SEO as a skill in your resume, it would be a star, like a cherry on a cake. So just remember, SEO and SEM can make you something, and otherwise, like it's the regular one though goes on. Thank you guys for patient hearing.
And
I
just feel free to unmute your mic directly.
Yeah, as well, if you want, we can also share the links of the website where you can go for these free courses. I will also show you the certificate, a Google certificate, and how much it matters. Just a minute.
Bhaiya, how did you head start into digital marketing?
Mm, it was just during lockdown when I researched about different platforms and how they told us about digital marketing. It was something like we really liked it, and then I did multiple courses from Google, Accenture, Internshala, and as well watch I also watch many YouTube channels. So if you don't like watch YouTube channels, it will not work. You have to, even though any master in digital marketing also learns many things in his duration of after completing his course. So you have to watch them.
Digital marketing is a field that is very easily approachable. Like, you can enter into digital marketing any day. You can start digital marketing today itself. You don't need any course. But yes, you will learn this in the course of time, while experimenting, while talking to more people, learning from their experiences and their life stories. So it's not uh, much into this, but yes, you'll learn this eventually.
Yeah, so this is
How
a
did you
certificate.
guys get your first gig?
Yes.
How did you
What?
guys get your first gig?
What do you mean by gig?
Like the first paid job you get got?
We don't do jobs. Who is asking
Like
this question?
like the freelancer thing. Did
Yeah,
you start by
so
freelancing?
no, we own a startup. You can check our page on Instagram, Quintix Solutions. Me and Sayam are founder of Quintix Solution. It was through digital. Like there were people who text on Instagram and they ask for help. So it's not help like, but we go both parties and then we go for digital marketing. It's nothing more. And in digital marketing, if you work as a freelancer or own a startup, then what matters is your public relations and marketing strategy. How do you talk with people and how you apply those strategies?
So who
All
are
of
your
them.
clients now?
Sorry.
Who are your clients?
Our clients, do you know Media World Desire? From there are multiple digital agencies in Pune, like Media World Desire, then Peace Ifico World, and there's some Parshva Foods. We made a website for them. Then also for a Sharda Shikshan Samstha, we are doing graphic designing. Then there are few social media clients as well, which we can't disclose for now. But yeah, few
And
clients can't
there
be
are many
disclosed.
companies that others won't tell you, but yes, we disclosed you because yes, we are your just immediate seniors, but usually people don't disclose their clients. So keep this thing in mind.
Why digital marketing and not any other course?
Yes.
Why digital marketing and not any other course?
We didn't got your question.
There
Please
are many
complete it.
courses available. There are many courses available, but why should I only choose digital marketing? Does it have more scope than any other courses?
Uh, if I get your question correct, today's session was on digital marketing, and digital marketing is a thing that leads your business to many upper heights. Nonetheless, you can't go saying on roads or maybe on in shops that please could you collaborate with us or maybe take our product. Digital media almost gives your product 10 times faster movement uh, if you compare it with physical means. You can reach people very easily through digital media, social media. You can text any company, like maybe any startup or maybe small companies. You can text them and they'll reply to you as soon as maybe in one day. So there is something in this digital world that gets your business up. So this is why digital marketing is important. Did you get did I get your question correct, Bhavik?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, and digital marketing it's something, it's a must-have skill nowadays. Not only in job but as well in business as well. In business you should have. For me, like before it was told like while going in a company placement, you should know marketing, you should have public relations. But nowadays it's digital marketing, which will help you during a placement as well in a business. In business, so digital marketing is something it's must, you must have. Otherwise, you can't grow your business. Big companies like EY and Deloitte are applying digital marketing techniques and social media marketing. They run Instagram ads. You can see them nowadays. There was a campus ambassador program from MUN. They run a social media ads. So startup and a business, local business, what they are in front of them. Everyone should apply these techniques. And if you learn them, you can definitely apply them.
And guys, let me tell you, even Goldman Sachs, you may know this name in it comes in big colleges, even it comes in PICT. So these companies not only check for coding applicants, they also check for like digital marketing experts or public relation expert analysts, and they get paid more or equal to in those into coding rounds. So this doesn't require and this doesn't tell you that PICT में आए हो तो बस कोडिंग करनी है और कोडिंग कंपनीज में अप्लाई कर सकते हो. इंटरेस्ट है, आप लोगों से बात कर सकते हो, इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हो. आपको ये पसंद है कि लोगों से बात करे, ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों के साथ कांटेक्ट बनाए, इंटरेक्ट करे, नेटवर्क. दिस इज व्हाट नेटवर्किंग इज. You daily have target of meeting new people, maybe through digital media or physically. So digital media is the best. You text someone on LinkedIn, you text someone on maybe Twitter, Instagram, so that you get something out of that day. You get like if I have my own startup and I want to collaborate with a particular similar startup that I need. So I'll text that startup. I'll get collaborated. My contact has been updated. So this is where leads you in digital marketing. Digital marketing is almost like 90% is about connections, your brains, and interaction and public speaking. In like if I sum this up, if you are best at it, you can go ahead.
Yeah, and we
भैया,
are saying
अभी
that, yeah.
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है.
हम्म.
तो अभी आपको क्या लगता है, यानी अभी हम बिगिनर से, आपके सेशन से पहले हमें कुछ पता भी नहीं था, अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा आइडिया मिला है, तो अभी हमारा फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए?
फर्स्ट स्टेप ये है कि आप ऐसे सेशंस तो अटेंड करते ही रहो. सी लेट मी टेल यू, मैं पहले ही बोला ना कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ये फील्ड है ना कि आप आज भी इस टाइम पे भी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में एंटर कर सकते हो विदाउट एनी सर्टिफिकेट. बट दिस इज अ फील्ड वेर यू लर्न व्हाइल इम्प्लीमेंटिंग. आप जब तक लोगों से इंटरेक्ट नहीं करते, लोगों से बात नहीं करते, जब तक स्ट्रेटेजी नहीं बनाते अपने प्रोडक्ट के लिए, अपने मार्केट अपने बिजनेस के लिए, जब तक मार्केट रिसर्च नहीं करते, तब तक कुछ नहीं होगा. मतलब समझा ना कि खुद पहले इम्प्लीमेंट करना पड़ेगा, खुद पहले जाना पड़ेगा मार्केट में. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप भाजी मंडी में जाओ और ये करो. Literally, don't take it literally, but this is what means like searching companies, stalking their profiles, what this company does, what it provides to people, how it gained audience, how it moved into digital world. Like many companies till now didn't have this much growth, but in lockdown you may have seen many companies grow at par. They have done amazing in lockdown itself. And honestly telling, I and Dhaval also learned this in lockdown, because this is what teaches you. When you can't go outside, you have only one thing remaining with you is digital media, and it saves you from anything. Like in future also, if you can't go and physically meet anyone and make contacts, you have this digital media, social media, and you can interact with people and grow connections.
Right, and we can see YouTube like BYN channel, BYN, Beer Biceps, आशीष चंचलानी. इन लोगों के वाइन्स ऐसे ही नहीं फेमस हो गए, इन लोगों का चैनल ऐसे ही नहीं फेमस हुआ है. वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, इसमें भी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इन्वॉल्व है. मतलब हम लोगों ने ये स्लाइड्स में बताया नहीं कि यूट्यूब का, बट एक यूट्यूब आजकल मार्केटिंग के लिए बहुत सही हो गया है. अपन लोग देख सकते हैं, कुछ भी अपन कोई भी चैनल चालू करे या फिर कोई भी वीडियो चालू करे, उसमें पहले ऐड आती है, नीचे उसकी लिंक दी जाती है, एंड फिर वो चालू होता है जो भी वीडियो है. सो यहाँ पे भी अपने को पता चलता है कि एक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कैसे ग्रो हो रहा है. एंड अभी मतलब अपन लोग तो घर पे बैठ के, तो हम लोगों को सबको पता है कि यूट्यूब ही है जो हम सबका सहारा है. सो जस्ट have a look in digital marketing. We won't pressurize you just only go for digital marketing. It depends on your interest, in enthusiasm and all. And as Sayyam said, coding and digital marketing, हम लोग ऐसे नहीं बोल रहे कि आप लोगों को कि कोडिंग बिल्कुल करो मत. पीआईसीटी में हो तुम लोग, कोडिंग करना ही पड़ता है. मतलब डिजिटल मार्केटिंग ऐसा है कि कोडिंग के साथ तुम लोगों को डिजिटल मार्केटिंग भी करना पड़ेगा, चाहिए. तो ऐसे नहीं बोल रहे कि कोडिंग करो मत.
Yes, मतलब ये फोर्स नहीं है कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करना इम्पोर्टेंट ही है, बट ये एक रहता है ना कि कुछ तो अलग कर जाए यार। पीआईसीटी में एवरी ईयर 1000 पीपल कम, 1000 स्टूडेंट्स कम, उनसे क्या अलग किया मुझे बताओ। सब लोग कोडिंग कर रहे, सब लोग सी सीपीपी सीख रहे, पाइथन सीख रहे, सब लोग मतलब कंपनीज के लिए अप्लाई करने वाले या एमएस करने वाले। तुम लोग के स्किल्स क्या बढ़ेंगे, तुम लोग का रेज्यूमे किस टाइप से मतलब स्टैंड आउट होगा। तो this is one thing that will lead you at a upper hand, because सब लोग आजकल क्या है, सोशल मीडिया पर एक्टिव है। दिस इज वन मोस्ट बेसिक फैक्टर दैट लीड्स यू एंटर दिस फील्ड। सोशल मीडिया यूज करना आ गया, उसका सही यूज करना आ गया तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इज
भैया ये YouTube और Instagram का अगर वर्किंग कैसे चल रहा है वो समझना है तो कहाँ से सीख सकते हैं?
वो जो चैनल की लिंक्स दी थी ना मैंने, चैनल के तुम लोगों ने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया क्या? मैंने जो शेयर किया था
हाँ
वो। हाँ, वो चैनल पे जाओ, तुम लोगों को सब पता चल जाएगा। पहले सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स करो कोई, फिर नॉलेज लेने के लिए ये यूट्यूब चैनल पे देखो, जाके वीडियोस देखो इन लोगों के, फिर तुम लोगों को पता चलेगा एग्जैक्टली करना क्या है और कैसे करना है। और अगर तुम लोग काफी इंटरेस्टेड हो तो हम लोग भी सेशन ले सकते हैं एंड वी कैन टीच यू द टूल्स। मतलब जो गूगल एनालिटिक्स है, हर्ब्स है, हुटसूट, Mailchimp, these tools we can teach you if you want. If there are some amount of students, we get a number of students, we will definitely teach you.
तुम लोग के खुद के भी किसी के डज एनीवन हैव यूट्यूब चैनल या फिर इंस्टा पेज रिगार्डिंग सम आर्ट थिंग और सिंगिंग और एनी अदर स्टफ? हाँ, अनम्यूट कर वेंकटेश, बिंदास।
मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल है भैया, 140 सब्सक्राइबर्स है अभी, तो छोटा है मतलब।
नाइस।
अभी स्टार्ट किया है। मतलब इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो, मोटिवेशनल, मतलब उस टाइप के।
अच्छा, सो एक चीज बताता हूँ, यहाँ पे YouTube में ना ऐसा रहता है, मतलब इफ यू हैव सीन यू हैव टू पुट सम कीवर्ड्स, हैशटैग्स। अभी उसका रिसर्च करने पे तुम्हारी वीडियो कैसी है और ट्रेंडिंग में क्या चल रहा है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग रिसर्च अकॉर्डिंग एनालिसिस किया, एंड इफ यू पुट दोस पर्टिकुलर हैशटैग्स डिस्क्रिप्शन, तो वो तुम्हारे सर्च फीड, मतलब लोगों के सर्च फीड में जल्दी आती है। एंड दिस इज वन थिंग इन डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। बस तुम लोग को पता नहीं चलता तुम यूज कहाँ पे करते, बट होता है डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का यूज, तुम खुद भी मतलब यूज करते हो। इंस्टाग्राम किसी का अकाउंट है, आई गेस समृद्धि ने भी हैंड रेस किया था ना? हाँ, समृद्धि।
हाँ तो मेरा एक म्यूजिक का इंस्टाग्राम पेज है, तो फिर मैंने वो अभी दिसंबर में ही चालू किया। तो उस वक्त मैंने पूरा वो कीवर्ड्स का रिसर्च किया था, तो फिर जितना यूट्यूब पे वीडियोस देखा तो उन लोगों ने बताया कि पुट मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ हैशटैग्स सो दैट वो उतना ज्यादा लोगों को सजेस्ट होगा। तो फिर म्यूजिक रिलेटेड और ऐसे सारे हैशटैग्स आई एम पुटिंग राइट नाउ।
ओके, सो
हैशटैग को लिमिट होता है शायद,
क्या हुआ?
हैशटैग को लिमिट होता है शायद 30
हाँ,
हैशटैग
30 है।
सो कितने सारे इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट्स होंगे, मतलब अपने ही एज के या फिर बाकी लोगों के भी, बट दे डोंट ग्रो ऑर्गेनिकली। क्यों? क्योंकि दे डोंट नो क्या करना है एग्जैक्टली। यू विल टेक अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ कंटेंट, पुट इट ऑन सोशल मीडिया विदाउट सीइंग कि क्या ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है, क्या हैशटैग्स डालने चाहिए। अभी हैशटैग्स के लिए भी ऐसा होता है कि you can't randomly put any hashtag, वो हैशटैग ट्रेंडिंग में है क्या नहीं। अभी अगर उस हैशटैग को क्रोर्स ऑफ व्यूज मिल गए तो फिर उसको डाले क्या नहीं, वो लोग देख पाएंगे कि नहीं, अपना पोस्ट उसमें लॉस्ट हो जाएगा। तो ये सब बातें दिमाग में रखनी पड़ती है कि कब कैसा हैशटैग यूज करे। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ स्मॉल पार्ट वेयर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग का पार्ट है।
एक तुम लोगों को एक बेसिक ट्राई करना रहेगा ना, एक ट्राई इंस्टाग्राम का एक 5 मिनट के लिए अपना अकाउंट पब्लिक कर दो, उसमें बिजनेस अकाउंट कर दो, सेटअप अ प्रोफेशनल अकाउंट, वहाँ पे सेटिंग्स में जाके एड्स का ऑप्शन रहता है तुम्हारे लिए, तो वो एक बार चेक कर लेना, तो एक पता चलता है कि एड्स कैसे रन करते हैं। उसके लिए कोई पैसे नहीं लगते अपने को देखने के लिए, उसके आगे पैसे लगते हैं एड्स रन करना हो तो एड्स तक वहां पे जाके देख के आओ कि कैसे क्या कर सकते हैं अपन, तो पता चलता है। ये ऑप्शन फेसबुक पे भी अवेलेबल है, वो भी देखो एक बार। यहाँ पे कोई और ब्लॉग लिखता है क्या? एनीवन ब्लॉग राइटिंग?
गाइस कैमरा ऑन करो तो सब लोग।
अरे हम लोग सीनियर सी है, सेकेंड ईयर से है भाई, एक ही एज के हम लोग सब। कर सकते हो
फ्रेंडली
तुम लोग
अपन, करो ऑन कैमरा जल्दी, फास्ट। क्या रे, डर गए क्या? ऑन
अरे
करो जल्दी।
करो रे गाइस, थोड़ा एक्टिव।
नेट खत्म होने को आया है।
आज तो छुट्टी थी ना, फिर क्या हुआ?
इसीलिए खत्म हुआ।
इसीलिए
बाप रे, इतना सोशल मीडिया यूज। ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट, सीइंग न्यू फेसेस, नाइस।
भैया हाउ मच डू यू अर्न?
नहीं पूछते।
वी कांट डिस्क्लोज सच थिंग्स। किसने पूछा था?
देख जैसे ना लड़की का एज नहीं पूछते ना, वैसे कभी इंसान की सैलरी नहीं पूछते, कितना कमाते वो नहीं पूछते कभी भी, याद रख।
हम लोग क्लाइंट्स बताते हैं, हम लोगों के मोर देन 30 क्लाइंट्स है अभी तक।
ओके।
मतलब हम लोगों ने 6 महीने पहले शुरू किया था।
कांटेक्ट कैसे होगा?
अगर
क्या?
आपसे बात करनी है, अगर आपसे मुझे बात करनी है कांटेक्ट के लिए,
हाँ, हम लोग हमारा नंबर शेयर करते हैं मैसेज में, व्हाट्सएप पे डीएम।
इंटरनेट ग्रुप भी है, हम डीएम कर सकते हैं।
भैया आपको अपना फर्स्ट कस्टमर कैसे मिला था? क्योंकि सबसे डिफिकल्ट वही होता है, फर्स्ट कस्टमर, मतलब
नेटवर्किंग।
कस्टमर क्लाइंट।
पब्लिसिटी, मतलब फ्रेंड ने सजेस्ट किया एंड वी गॉट दैट कस्टमर। सो ये है कि तुम्हारे इसमें फ्रेंड सपोर्ट करे तो तुम और अच्छा आगे जा सकते हो, इफ यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। इसमें तुम लोग के घर वाले या फिर फ्रेंड्स, अरे कैमरा बंद क्यों हो गए सबके, ऑन करो रे। फैमिली, फ्रेंड्स, इसमें सबका सपोर्ट चाहिए। वो माउथ पब्लिसिटी भले ही कम हो, लेकिन स्टार्ट बूस्ट के लिए वो इम्पोर्टेंट रहता है।
एंड नेटवर्क होना, मतलब तुम लोग नेटवर्क पे फोकस करो, क्लाइंट्स पे फोकस मत करो। हम लोगों ने ऐसे भी किए कि मतलब पैसे ना मिले फ्री में कर चुके हैं हम लोग डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, कोई कोई कंपनीज के लिए। कोई तुम लोगों को आके सामने से बोलेगा नहीं, ये ले भाई मेरे 50,000 रुपए और मेरे लिए डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कर दे। कोई नहीं आता अपने पास ऐसे। अपने को फ्री में करेंगे, 10 जाके फ्री में करेंगे, तब जाके 11 अपने को उसमें 500 रुपये निकलते। 500 भी बहुत ज्यादा बोल दिया मैंने, 100 रुपये पकड़ लो। तो पैसे पे फोकस मत करो पहले से ही, पहले इस पे फोकस करो कि सीखना है अपने को कुछ।
इवन वी हैव इन्वेस्टेड टाइम इन इट, मतलब कस्टमर्स को हम लोगों ने फोन पे ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटा उनका बिजनेस प्लान समझाया है। हम लोगों ने स्ट्रेटेजी बनाई एंड इट वाज जस्ट फ्री, कि बस हम लोग स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों को भी एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए एंड वी नीड ट्रस्ट कि लोग हमारा नाम आगे सजेस्ट करे कि हाँ क्विंथिक्स है, ये कर सकते हो तुम लोग इनको अप्रोच। सो दिस इज व्हाट नीड्स व्हेन यू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच। कुछ तो देना पड़ेगा लोगों को। पीपल नीड समथिंग दैट विल गिव मे बी फॉर फ्री, या कुछ तो देना पड़ेगा भाई, फिर ही तुम लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो कि लोग तुमको अप्रोच करें।
ऐसे भी होता
मैं
है कि या बोलो बोलो।
मतलब मैं ऐसे सोच रही थी कि फूड ब्लॉगर के मतलब करने का, वैसे तो उसके लिए इंस्टाग्राम पे वो रहते हैं ना कि पोस्ट डालते हैं कि यहाँ पे ट्राई आउट दिस या ये वो ऐसे।
Yeah, if it's free, definitely go for it. If it isn't, please don't go.
एक बात बोलूं ना तुम लोगों को, कि कोई भी ऐसा है ना कि मुझे यार यूट्यूब अकाउंट बनाना था, बट वो समझो किसी को लगता है ऐसा कि यार 1000 फॉलोअर्स कैसे होंगे, 4000 वॉच आवर्स कैसे होंगे, बना दो. You don't know any instant where your content goes hit into digital world today. बस बनाते रहो. इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट बनाना है कोई चीज का, बना दो सीधा. आपको पता नहीं कौन सा हैशटैग्स कब वर्क कर जाए और आपका अकाउंट फेमस हो जाए. अरे फिर से कैमरा बंद हो गया, क्या चल रहा है? चलो एक लास्ट स्नैप ले लेते हैं. इफ एनीवन डजंट हैव एनी डाउट, कुछ डाउट्स है तो बोल दो.
हाँ, मुझे एक डाउट था. सो एज
हाँ,
यू
go
सेड
on.
कि नेटवर्क बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो फिर सेकंड ईयर में रह के आपने नेटवर्क कैसे बढ़ाया कंपनीज के साथ, मतलब
Okay.
वेल एस्टेब्लिश्ड कंपनीज के साथ?
ओके. सो मैं बोला कि लिंक्डइन, ट्विटर, योर इंस्टाग्राम, मतलब सब ऑलमोस्ट इंस्टाग्राम से इतना रिलेटेड है कि बाकी पे नहीं किया तो भी चलेगा. आपका इंटरेस्ट पहले जानना होगा कि मुझे कौन से कंपनी को अप्रोच करना है. अभी छोटी छोटी बहुत कंपनीज है इंस्टाग्राम पे दैट रिप्लाई, ठीक है. बड़े कंपनीज भी, आज तक स्विगी ने भी मेरे को रिप्लाई किया. तो बहुत कंपनीज है ऐसे बड़े बड़े, यू कैन अप्रोच देम एंड दिल रिप्लाई. बस ये है कि तुम्हारा इनिशिएटिव होना चाहिए. लिंक्डइन पे तुम्हें आईएम के प्रोफेसर्स को टेक्स्ट करना है, यू हैव टू गेट देम इन योर कनेक्शन, फिर भी कर सकते हो. तुम्हारी कुछ आइडिया है तुम लोगों को बतानी, उनको टेक्स्ट देम फ्रीली, मेल देम. जितने भी सोशल मीडिया ये है, सोशल मीडियाज राइट नाउ, ट्विटर हो, इंस्टाग्राम हो, यूट्यूब हो या फिर लिंक्डइन हो, जितने भी है ना, उसका ऑलमोस्ट मतलब पूरा पूरा यूज करो. बस ये नहीं कि स्क्रॉल करते जा रहे हो इंस्टा पे. कुछ ना कुछ प्रोडक्टिव किया ना, यूजफुल किया ना. किसी को आज मैंने मुझे आज म्यूजिक में इंटरेस्ट था तो मैंने किसी अच्छे मतलब अपकमिंग म्यूजिक स्टार को अप्रोच किया. आई टेक्स्टेड हिम एंड ही रिप्लाइड बैक. तो मेरा एक कनेक्शन ऐड ऑन हो गया. आई इंटरेक्टेड विथ हिम, आई जॉइंड सम लाइव सेशन, आई इंटरेक्टेड विद दैट पर्सन. सो ऐसा है कि नेटवर्किंग में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि खुद का इनिशिएटिव. तुम जाके खुद बोलो कि यस, दिस इज माय कंसर्न, आई वांट टू टॉक. ऐसा. समृद्धि,
Yeah,
डिड आई?
LinkedIn is one of who was talking. Please move
Yeah, I
ahead.
want to.
Yeah, please move ahead.
हाँ, हो गया, थैंक यू.
Okay. And LinkedIn plays important role in business. मतलब तुम लोग इंस्टा पे एक्टिव रहते हो, उतना टाइम LinkedIn को दे दिया तो काफी चीजें सीखने को मिलती है. जो चीजें इंस्टा पे नहीं सीख सकते हो वो चीजें डेफिनेटली LinkedIn पे सीखने को मिलती है. एंड LinkedIn ऐसा है कि अभी से एक्टिव रहोगे तब जाके कुछ फाइनल ईयर में अपना एक प्रोफाइल LinkedIn पे तगड़ा बनता है. एंड यू
आपके
मस्ट
लिंक्डइन से लोगों को समझता है कि हाउ फार ही इज. आपके लिंक्डइन पे फॉलोअर्स इतने फास्ट बढ़ सकते हैं. यू जस्ट हैव टू पोस्ट वन थिंग दैट्स अमेजिंग. मतलब कुछ तो अलग से हटके भी एक लिंक्डइन पे पोस्ट आपका वायरल हो गया, इट मे गेट यू थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ फॉलोअर्स. मतलब हमारे पीआईसीटी के ही लोगों ने कितने बार पोस्ट किया एंड दे हैड 20 to 30,000 लाइक्स, कमेंट्स मतलब हंड्रेड्स में, कुछ 900,000 के आसपास होंगे इन जस्ट वन डे. एक पोस्ट किया बस एंड दे गेट यू टू दैट लेवल. सो वहां पे रीच बहुत ज्यादा है. इंस्टाग्राम पे रीच कुछ नहीं है. लिंक्डइन पे ऐसा है कि यू हैव प्रोफेशनल रीच देयर. तो प्रोफेशनल बनना है तो लिंक्डइन ज्यादा यूज करो.
Bhaiya, but what type of content can we post on LinkedIn? Because we can post anything on Insta, but LinkedIn is for like work professionals only, na? So we have to post something related to that.
हाँ, तो अभी मैंने इफ आई रीड एनी पर्टिकुलर बुक, ठीक है, उस बुक का स्नैप ले लिया मैंने, उस बुक का लर्निंग ले लिया, उस बुक का एक्सपीरियंस ले लिया, क्या हुआ मैंने आज खत्म की बुक एंड आई पोस्टेड दैट स्नैप. और मैंने आज क्या सीखा उतना समझो, 1 या 2 या 3 पैराग्राफ्स कि दिस इज व्हाट आई लर्न एंड दिस इज जस्ट अमेजिंग बुक, और 2-3 हैशटैग्स डाल दी एंड नाउ योर पोस्ट और कंटेंट इज रेडी टू मतलब वो इतना कंज्यूम होता है, लोगों को रिलेट हुआ ना, कुछ क्वेश्चन पे छोड़ दिया, व्हाट आर योर व्यूज, कमेंट्स में आएंगे लोग, जितने कमेंट्स होते हैं उतना रीच बढ़ता है। सो इससे तुम लोगों को ऐसा नहीं कि बस सर्टिफिकेट ही डालना रहता है लिंक्डइन पे, कुछ उसके लिए कोर्स करना पड़ता है, ऐसा नहीं। पीपल रैंडमली पोस्ट, अभी ऐसे भी पोस्ट करते हैं कि कुछ ट्रेंडिंग चालू है बिटकॉइन पे, ठीक है, नाउ आई हैव सम न्यूज रिगार्डिंग बिटकॉइन एंड आई वांट टू मे बी सपोर्ट और अपोज, सो व्हाट आर योर व्यूज ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, ये पोस्ट कर दिया। नाउ thousands and thousands of people will view your post or comment on this. इतना खतरनाक रीच है लिंक्डइन पे। Any more doubts? अच्छा, अगर कोई डाउट्स नहीं होंगे तो कैमरा ऑन कर लो एक बार। चित्ररंजन, एक स्नैप घेऊन टाक।
Hello भैया, I have a doubt.
Cool, go ahead.
Yes. So जो हम YouTube पे वीडियोस देखते हैं व्लॉगिंग के वगैरह में, I mean I watch a lot of कार व्लॉगिंग वीडियोस। मीन कौन सी भी कार आती है तो वो किसी कार के डीलर से वो लेते हैं कार, उसका रिव्यू करते हैं, तो फिर उसको कैमरा सेटअप को या फिर बाकी सारी चीजों को पैसा तो बहुत लगता है, पर वो एज अ करियर वो कैसे चूज कर लेते हैं वो लोग? मतलब उनको इनकम कहाँ से आता है उस चीज का?
YouTube is the first income that they get. तुम लोग का
एड रेवेन्यूज और ब्रांड्स भी मिलते हैं उनको, लाइक प्रमोशंस के लिए एड रेवेन्यूज आते हैं और
ब्रांड्स वगैरह तुम लोग को तब मिलेगा when you have a particular type of reputation. तुम लोग पहले स्टार्ट में तुम लोग को कुछ ना कुछ देना पड़ेगा रे लोगों को, कुछ तो है इस अकाउंट में। अब तुम लोग अभी तू क्यों देखता है वो ब्लॉगिंग, कि कुछ ना कुछ है ना उसमें अमेजिंग। वो लोग कुछ तो करते कि उनका कंटेंट हिट हो, भले ही वो ऑर्गेनिक इनऑर्गेनिक कैसा भी हो, बट दे हैव फर्स्ट दैट टाइप ऑफ रेपुटेशन, इतने व्यूज से हिट हो रहा है उनका कंटेंट। सो द फर्स्ट इनकम वो यूट्यूब तो है ही, देन ब्रांड्स आते हैं, एड्स आते हैं, उनको बस कुछ टाइम के लिए उनके वीडियो में एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड का भी ऐड कर दिया, सो दे गेट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रुपीज बस।
एंड तुम लोगों ने आशीष चंचलानी या फिर किसी के भी पहले के वीडियोस देखे होंगे जो फर्स्ट वगैरह ऐसे थे, तो वो लोग भी ऐसे कोई एकदम हाई क्लास कैमरा या एकदम बढ़िया वाला माइक नहीं यूज किया है, वो भी एकदम सिंपल से स्टार्ट करते हैं, मोबाइल से स्टार्ट किया है काफी लोगों ने। सो स्टार्ट करने के लिए जरूरी नहीं रहता कि मेरे पास आईफोन ही हो या मेरे पास कोई मतलब ऐसे ही हो, स्टार्ट कहीं से भी कर सकते हो तुम लोग। इट्स नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, टूल्स आर नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, फोकस ऑन स्किल्स। मतलब हम लोग YouTube वगैरह पे तो करते नहीं हमारा, बट हम लोगों ने स्टार्ट क्विंटिक्स जब हमारा स्टार्ट किया था तो ऐसे ही स्टार्ट किया था कि कुछ था नहीं, कि ऐसे मतलब नॉट नेटवर्क भी ऐसे कुछ था नहीं, बट जब वो करते हो तुम लोग एग्जीक्यूट, तब धीरे धीरे नेटवर्क बढ़ता जा रहा है एंड तुम लोगों की पहचान उस चीज से बनती जाती है। नाउ पीपल नो अस फ्रॉम क्विंटेक्स एज वेल। आई हैव माय अदर स्टार्टअप्स, Sparkles Valley, an e-commerce website. Then I was also known for digital library, where I provided e-books for many people in PICT and outside PICT as well. It was during lockdown. So it's not important what tools. The important thing is your skills and your concept behind it and why we have to do that.
तुम्हारा वाई क्लियर हो तो फिर सब सॉर्ट है। बस करने के लिए you have to earn something while doing engineering, बस 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स कमाने हैं, 4K आवर्स कंप्लीट करना है, तुम लोग का कवर हो जाएगा। दैट्स नॉट इजी। तुम लोग को कुछ रीजन हो चैनल स्टार्ट करने का, फिर स्टार्ट कर।
हाँ, मतलब वो कितने तो भी वीडियोस होने के बाद उतने सब्सक्राइबर्स आते हैं अपने पास, ऐसे ही वो अपन बोलेंगे कि 2 महीने में चाहिए या 6 महीने में चाहिए, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल। या इट्स आल्सो पॉसिबल बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन लक समटाइम्स। लाइक एक ऐसा वीडियो आ जाता है किसी का, वो एकदम वायरल हो जाता है, वो पूरा मतलब फिर तो उसके सब्सक्राइबर्स भी डबल हो जाए, डबल मतलब it goes into thousands. So it's luck sometimes, but hard work definitely pays off. If you work for 1 year, or even if you work for 6 months, dedication and enthusiasm is important there. Then definitely it would work for you. Give 6 months for a thing, it's totally yours. Any more questions, anyone? किसी को कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो, हम लोग इंटरैक्ट ग्रुप पे हमारा नंबर से सेंड कर रहे, वहां पे तुम लोग बात कर सकते हो. You can anytime contact me or Sayyam for any queries, any courses you want, anything. DM us, we would let you know. If you can also check out our Instagram page, Quintrix Solutions. There also you can text us or ping us. We would surely get to you.
चित्रंजन एक स्नॅप घेऊन टाक फास्ट. एव्हरीबडी प्लीज ऑन युअर कॅम्प्स. ठीक आहे. Cool. Thank you so much everyone. We enjoyed talking to you. कोई सेशन में इतना इंटरैक्टिव नहीं हुआ आज, मजा आ गया बोल के. बस let us know if you want any more sessions. अपन आगे.
तुम लोगों को कोई भी टॉपिक हो, दीपक अग्रवाल, निखिल जैन या किसी को भी, हम में से भी किसी को भी, सीनियर्स में से भी टेक्स्ट कर लो. वैसे सेशंस लेके आ सकते हैं हम लोग. एंड बी इंटरैक्टिव गाइस. हम लोग ऐसे सीनियर है तो क्या तुम लोगों की रैगिंग वगैरह ऐसे लेने कुछ नहीं आए. हम लोग भी टाइम पास ही करते हैं सब. मतलब चिल भी करो. ऐसे नहीं कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग करना है, कोडिंग करना है, मेरे को गूगल में प्लेस होना है. एंजॉय भी अपना इंजीनियरिंग.
तुम लोग खुद का अपना स्टार्टअप ईडीसी के नाम से ये कर सकते हो एंड इट कैन गो वायरल इन वेरी फ्यू टाइम. बहुत अपने ऐसे स्टार्टअप सक्सेस स्टोरीज है ऑलरेडी.
Okay guys, thank you. It was nice having you.